here I am back on the bluff where I've been giving you erosion updates, and that tree right there, that's the same tree we've been tracking this summer. It looks like the top of it got blown off. We've had a couple of bad thunderstorms. Looks like that might be the case, and it's definitely filled out quite a bit, but still hanging on. If that's even the same tree, I barely even recognize it, but I'm pretty sure that's the same tree we've been tracking all summer. Just looking a little different. Looks like the top maybe got blown off, part of it. So anyway, and down here, the lake is kind of rough today and loud. Kind of churned up from the thunderstorm last night. And I'm being real cautious not to fall. There's our beloved deck. Still down there too. And sun over the water. Beautiful day. Not a real great swimming day with the waves that high though. There's probably some kiteboarders down at South Beach and North Beach. Some surfers. We do get surfers here on the Great Lakes. Alright. Bye-bye.